Google Books is a Google service that is responsible for digitizing books through optical character recognition, which allows them to be converted into texts and later stored and used in this library. These books are provided by the authors or publishers themselves through a program called the Google Books Partner Program that was designed to increase the possibility that many books are available online to all audiences. Google has made sure that this platform is growing since it takes into account the copyright laws corresponding to each country of each work that it digitizes, and thus there are no problems in being downloaded in PDF. At Google Books, you can read magazines and books of all kinds, and offers the opportunity to download them for later, cite them, and translate them. It has a keyword search engine that would allow you to search within the content of the platform. To find free books, you just have to enter book.google.es in your browser. Use the search engine to find a book by title, author, ISBN code, or keywords. You can also use advanced search to filter your search and specifically find the part of the book you want to see. This advanced search is done by modifying the buttons that appear at the bottom of the search engine. Click on the title that suits your requirements. Google Books will first show you an overview page, which will then show analytical information about the book and a list of scholarly articles or other books that cite the book you search for. If you want to download content for free to read when you like, you should do the following. At the top left, click when it says Free ebook. If it is not found for free, you can buy it by selecting Buy Electronic Book.